What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be making a Beetle game in Scratch. So this is going to have two parts, or it might even have three. So this is part one. So basically what it is you're this Beetle here and you have to try to eat the donuts. And every time you eat the donuts, there's going to be like these crabs spawning here. And they're just going to be pointing at you, and every time you go a bit close to them, they're going to chase you. And basically what you have to do is try to run far away from them, and basically try to eat as much as donuts, and if you touch them it's going to say erg, I'm dead, and it'll stop everything. So let's go ahead here, make a new project, and you're going to be deleting the scratch cat and browsing for the Beetle. So right here. And now you're gonna browse for donuts, which should be somewhere over here. There you are, donuts. And now you're gonna browse for a crab, which should be right there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint my backdrop. So I'll just make it green. You guys can make it whatever color you personally like. I'm just gonna make it green because it really doesn't matter to me. So why not just do a random color, and yeah. So make sure you do no fill, and boom. Actually, I'll make it a bit lighter since it is way too bright. I mean, way too dark. So, um, okay, yeah, that's good right there. And now you're gonna be changing the size for the sprites. So you're gonna make this to be like 60, and the donuts will be 40, and the crabs will be 50. So there you are. And now what you're gonna do is fill in the crab. So you're gonna fill some parts, like you could do this and this. You can add whatever colors. I'm just gonna do this. So there we are, guys. We have all of our sprites now. Now we're gonna be coding the Beetle to move. So what you're gonna do when green flag is clicked, forever if key right arrow is pressed, turn 15 degrees over here. So let's see here. Boom. And just duplicate this, change this to left arrow, and change this over to the other side, opposite side. And what you want it to do is forever you're gonna want it to move like 3 steps, so you don't have to use the arrow keys. And I would say that's the turning is a bit too fast, so you can set those to 5 degrees there, guys. And boom, so we've got our Beetle to moving, right? Alright, now what we wanted to do is every time it's touching the donut, we want it to make the donut like go somewhere randomly. So what you're gonna do here is do if I am touching the donut, then you're just gonna make like a score variable. Well, you actually my bad, you have to put it in here. So there you go. If touching Beetle, then you just want it to go to a random position, which will be right here. So let's see here. Boom. So there it is. It's just every time we're touching it, it's moving around. And yeah. So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna go to your crab and you're gonna do when green flag is clicked, you're gonna do hide and wait about like 6 seconds to so that the player can actually like kind of get used to the controls and stuff. So yeah, and now you're gonna do forever point towards Beetle, and now what you're gonna do is if distance is greater than 100, so if distance is in here. So if distance should be here somewhere. Let me just, yeah, there we are. Nope, that's not it. Let's see here. Just need to find out where the distance could be. So what you're actually gonna have to do right now is, oh, oh wait, yeah, you have to put in a direction. My bad, guys. If direction is greater than 100, then you're gonna move 2 steps. So let's see here. See, the beetle is moving. It will spawn after like 6 seconds. And yeah. So it should be spawning now. Oh, yeah. So we have to do show right here. So that's why it wasn't spawning there. Alright, now it should be spawning in 6 seconds shortly. So there you guys are. And then there's just going to be crabs here that are going to be following you. And then it's just going to stop there. It's going to keep on looking at the crab. So every time it kind of gets a bit close, it'll just stop, right? And then it goes far away. And then every time you get a bit close, so like here, it'll come chasing at you. So there we go, guys. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're gonna do a clone, right? So you're gonna be making different types of crabs. You're gonna make more crabs, right? So when green flag is clicked, and you're also gonna make it broadcast a message here. So we'll be broadcasting after it shows, you're gonna broadcast cloning. And when I start as a clone, actually, guys, you're not going to make a clone right now. You're just going to hide it. And what you're going to do is when I receive cloning, then you're going to want it to create a clone of myself. And then you can start coding in the clone block. And what you're going to do here is the same thing for this crab, but you're going to make it wait even a bit longer. So about 15 seconds. And just gonna duplicate that, put it in there. Alright, now let's see here, guys. So I'll actually be making this a bit shorter to 11 seconds because I think 15 seconds is a bit too long. So there we are. And let's see here, it creates a clone of itself, stops, there's going to be different clones, and it won't be working until 11 seconds. So there you are. So it'll stop if you get close. So yeah, there you go. You got far away. So now what we wanted to do is every time it's touching the crab, it's gonna be doing something. It's gonna be saying, "Oh no, I'm dead. I got eaten by the crab." So what you're gonna do is go to your sensing. You're gonna do if touching the crab, then you're gonna want it to say. Oops, you're gonna have to do the seconds, or else it's just gonna say that very fast. Erg, I am dead. Okay, you don't have to write that, but you can just write erg, I am dead. So every time it's gonna touch the crab, it will be saying that. And actually, so let's just see here. Boom, and what you want it to do is gonna be stopping everything here. So if you don't, so the stop all, you need to put it there, or else after it's gonna say that, everything is just gonna go back to normal. So you want it to stop. And you're going to be painting a new backdrop here. Well, just going to be a text. So just duplicate this. And text, you can write you lose. You lose. And I'll change the color of that to red because it looks kind of good. So you lose. Boom. And then you're going to go to your Beetle. And every time it does that, you're going to switch the backdrop to backdrop 2, 3, and just switch it back. Every time the game starts, you're going to switch it back to backdrop 2. So let's see if this works here, guys. Right, so boom, got that donut. Now it's gonna be chasing me. So since I got pretty close, and if you touch it, I'm dead. You lose. Boom. That's very simple, guys. So for now, it is the end of part 2, and in the second part, what we're gonna be doing is basically we're gonna be adding more donuts. Making clones of the donuts also. And yeah, so also we're gonna be making the clone go to random position so they just don't like stay where the normal crab is. So yeah, guys, enough of that. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.